DocuSign has been a household name in the e-signature market since 2003. During this time, DocuSign's user base steadily increased until it eventually became the largest vendor of e-signature software, with over 1 billion users worldwide. It would be fair to say that DocuSign kind of uses its expertise and reputation to set higher overall subscription prices than the competition, while also charging extra for some of its premium features, which we find absolutely reasonable, by the way. SignNow, on the contrary, is a young and charismatic company, and the reason why it's among the most popular DocuSign alternatives is because of its attractive pricing, ease of use and deployment, and a rich set of features that we are proud of. With over 28 million users globally, SignNow may not be as widely known as DocuSign yet, but the current user rating of 4.6 out of 5 against DocuSign's 4.5 on G2 tells us we're moving in the right direction. So, if you're looking to fully digitize your document workflows and streamline business processes, choosing SignNow might be considered your first step towards that goal.